Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my update for the Graveyard Project Pan. The master list of all the girls will be listed down below. So please check out the master list if you'd like to check out some different project panners that are all very lovely. Anyway, I finished up the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Whipped Body Cream. And I used up what I could out of these e.l.f. Liquid eyeshadows. They started to bother my eyes, so I used up what I could out of them, so I'm considering them done. Because I have had them open for a while. As you can see, I did use what I could, so this one is in the shade Rose Gold, and this one is in the shade Brushed Copper. So I'm considering those two done, and I'll show you the inside of the container for the cream. Hold on, just to show you that it's all gone. See, all gone. I'm still working on the Josie Maran Argan oil and the Etude House Cushion Foundation. What I'm rolling in, I'm rolling in three things. I'm rolling in the It Confidence in a Cream Anti-Aging Armor. I don't know. That's what it says on there. I guess it's just a cream. I'm making it sound like, yeah, anyway. That's what it says on there. I don't know. I got that in a box charm a while back. I've just been kind of sitting around, so I want to use that up. Then I have this Tatcha Pure One Step Camelia Cleansing Oil. This was in a skincare project a while ago. I just like to finish that. And this one I got through 0.8 liters to try out. And once I was done trying it out, I put it up. But I'd like to use this up because it's open. So this is the Aprilskin Calendula Peeling Pads. And so that's it for this update. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Please click that bell if you like more notifications from me. Subscribe if you have not. And also check out the lovely ladies listed down below that are in the project with me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.